For over 35 years, CAD Micro has been offering engineering solutions that enable businesses to innovate and get their products to market quicker and more cost-effectively. To help their clients be more productive, CAD Micro challenges their existing processes, helps them adopt new technology, and delivers solutions that are customized for each opportunity. To efficiently get your parts from concept to assembly, our team of experienced professionals can help you with the implementation, training, and support of advanced manufacturing tools. Advantage Engineering, located in southwestern Ontario, is an example of one company that is keeping well ahead of the competition. By collaborating with CAD Micro, the Advantage Engineering team is able to design, simulate, and manage any project with confidence. For example, by combining injection molded parts with 3D printed components, they are building assemblies right here in Ontario that are stronger and built faster than their traditionally made counterparts. Now more than ever, Canadian auto parts manufacturers who look to out-of-country suppliers face unreliable delivery times, high logistical costs, and poor quality control. Advanced manufacturing is thriving right here in Canada. Now, OEMs and Tier 1 auto parts suppliers have a progressive partner they can leverage with confidence in Advantage Engineering. Partnering with CAD Micro, Advantage Engineering is utilizing industry-leading 3D printers, software, and materials which are ideal for manufacturing lightweight, textured, and impossible-to-cut designs, all at market-competitive prices. Since 1994, Advantage Engineering has been striving to provide unique custom manufacturing and 3D printing services to aerospace, medical, automotive, satellite, industrial, and consumer good manufacturers, and we at CAD Micro are proud to be their partners. By using leading-edge 3D mass manufacturing technologies, CAD Micro can help you deliver higher quality engineered parts and assemblies faster than your competitors and at a price that will increase your bottom line. CAD Micro, enabling Canadian innovation.